Remember the days of manually adjusting thermostats and flicking light switches? Technology is rapidly changing how we interact with our homes. Homes are becoming smarter. This is thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is no longer science fiction. It is here, embedded in our daily lives. AI is making our homes more comfortable, efficient, and secure. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your smart home automatically adjusts the temperature to your liking. It starts brewing your coffee just the way you prefer. This is just a glimpse of what AI-powered home automation can do. From controlling appliances to managing energy consumption, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live. AI, in simple terms, is the ability of a computer or a system to mimic human intelligence. It learns from our habits, preferences, and patterns. It uses this knowledge to make decisions and automate tasks, making our lives easier and more convenient. This technology is seamlessly integrating into our homes. AI-powered systems can learn our routines. They can even anticipate what we want before we even ask. At the heart of every smart home automation system lies a powerful engine driving its intelligence: AI and its subset, machine learning, or ML. These technologies empower these systems to learn, adapt, and evolve, transforming them from simple, automated setups to truly intelligent partners in managing our living spaces. But how do these complex algorithms actually work? Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You hold the handlebars, guide them, and correct their mistakes. AI, particularly ML, functions similarly. It learns from data, like a child learning from experience. Every interaction you have with your smart home, from adjusting the thermostat to turning on the lights, provides valuable data points. These data points are then processed by sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms identify patterns in your behavior. They predict your future needs. For instance, if you consistently turn on the coffee machine at 7 a.m., the system learns this pattern. Over time, it can automatically brew your coffee at that time without you even lifting a finger. One of the most appealing aspects of AI-powered home automation is the promise of unparalleled control and personalization. These systems empower you to tailor your home environment to your exact preferences, creating a living space that truly reflects your lifestyle and needs. This is achieved through intuitive interfaces and a deep understanding of your habits. Imagine controlling every aspect of your home with a few taps on your smartphone or simple voice commands. This is the level of control that AI-powered systems offer. Whether you're at home or miles away, you can easily adjust the lighting, temperature, music, and more, creating the perfect ambiance for any occasion. AI enables the creation of personalized scenes that adjust multiple elements simultaneously. For example, a movie night scene might dim the lights, lower the blinds, and activate surround sound. With voice commands, you can summon these scenes effortlessly, transforming your environment with a single phrase. This means everyone in the house can enjoy a personalized experience. Beyond convenience and personalization, AI-powered home automation systems are transforming home security, offering advanced features that provide peace of mind and protection for you and your loved ones. These systems go beyond traditional security measures, leveraging AI's analytical capabilities to proactively identify and respond to potential threats. Imagine a security system that can distinguish between the familiar faces of family members and the unknown presence of an intruder. AI makes this possible. Advanced facial recognition technology can be integrated into security cameras, alerting you to any suspicious activity and providing valuable evidence in case of an incident. These systems can analyze patterns and identify anomalies that might indicate a threat. For instance, if a door is unexpectedly opened at an unusual hour, the system can trigger an alarm, send you a notification, and even record footage of the event. This proactive approach to safety and security can be invaluable in preventing accidents and mitigating potential damage. As we become increasingly conscious of our environmental impact, AI-powered home automation systems emerge as powerful tools for promoting energy efficiency and sustainability within our homes. By intelligently managing resource consumption, these systems can help us reduce our carbon footprint and save on utility bills without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Imagine a home that automatically adjusts its energy usage based on your daily routines and the weather outside. AI makes this a reality. By analyzing your past energy consumption patterns and incorporating real-time weather data, these systems can optimize heating, cooling, and lighting schedules to minimize waste. For instance, if you're away at work, the system can automatically adjust the thermostat to conserve energy, ensuring a comfortable temperature upon your return. Furthermore, AI can integrate with smart grids, allowing your home to automatically adjust energy consumption based on the availability of renewable energy sources. While the benefits of AI-powered home automation are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential privacy and security concerns that come with this level of interconnectedness. As our homes become smarter and more reliant on data, safeguarding our personal information becomes paramount. One of the primary concerns revolves around data privacy. These systems collect vast amounts of data about our daily routines, habits, and even conversations. It's essential to understand how this data is being used, stored, and protected by the companies behind these platforms. Opting for systems with robust privacy policies and encryption protocols is crucial. Another concern is the potential for hacking and unauthorized access. Regularly updating software using strong and unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication are also crucial steps in fortifying your smart home's defenses. The integration of AI into home automation is no longer a futuristic concept, but a tangible reality, with numerous real-world examples showcasing its transformative potential. These examples highlight how AI is enhancing convenience, comfort, and security in homes around the world. Take, for instance, the Nest Learning Thermostat. This intelligent device utilizes machine learning to understand your heating and cooling preferences. Over time, it learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature accordingly, ensuring optimal comfort while conserving energy. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant have also become ubiquitous in smart homes. Powered by sophisticated natural language processing, these assistants can understand and respond to voice commands, allowing you to control various devices, play music, set reminders, and even order groceries with just your voice. Furthermore, AI is being integrated into home security systems. The integration of AI into home automation is not merely about convenience, it's about fundamentally transforming how we live, interact with our environments, and manage our daily routines. By automating tasks, anticipating needs, and personalizing experiences, AI is freeing up our time and mental energy for the things that truly matter. Imagine starting your day without the usual rush and chaos. Your smart home wakes you up gently at the optimal time, adjusts the lighting to mimic a natural sunrise, and starts brewing your coffee just the way you like it. Throughout the day, your home seamlessly adapts to your needs. The temperature remains comfortable, lights adjust automatically as you move from room to room, and your favorite music follows you throughout the house. In essence, AI is taking care of the mundane, repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. As AI technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, its potential to shape the future of home living is boundless. We can anticipate even more sophisticated and integrated systems that seamlessly blend into the fabric of our homes, anticipating our needs and enhancing our lives in ways we can only imagine. One exciting area of development is the concept of proactive homes. These homes will not simply respond to our commands but will anticipate our needs and proactively adjust the environment accordingly. For instance, imagine a home that senses when you're feeling stressed and automatically adjusts the lighting, temperature, and even plays calming music to create a more relaxing atmosphere. Another promising avenue is the integration of AI with robotics. We can expect to see a rise in home robots that can assist with various tasks, from cleaning and cooking to providing companionship, and even assisting with elderly care.